Hello students, welcome to your channel. Please like, share and subscribe your own channel School Studies. Now you might be thinking why to subscribe my channel School Studies. You will get daily one video related to different subjects such as English grammar, general knowledge, social science, mathematics and science. These subjects will help you to understand and learn more. Today we will see a video related to mathematics subject. In that today's topic is NCERT solution for class 7 mathematics chapter 3 data handling. Today we will solve exercise 2.3.2. So let's solve the exercise of the textbook. First question is the scores in mathematics test out of 25 out of 15 students is as follow. These are the scores of the students, 15 students. We will first arrange them in the ascending order. Now we will find the mode. So mode is the value of variable which occurs most frequently. So here we can see 20 is occurring maximum number of times. Hence the mode of the given score is 20. Then we have to find the median. The value of the middlemost observation is called the median of the data. Here n equals to 15, which is odd, where n is the number of the students. So median equals to value of 1/2 bracket n plus 1 observation. So half bracket 15 plus 1. So half into 16. So 16 upon 2, that is 8. Then the value of eighth term 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, that is 20. Here the median is 20. Yes, both the values are same. Next, the runs scored in a cricket match by 11 players is as follows. We have to find mean, mode and median of this data. Are three same? We have to check that also. So first we will arrange the scored by in ascending order. Then we will find the mean. So mean of the given data equals to sum of all the observation divided by total number of observation. So we will add all the observation divided by 11, that is 429 upon 11, that is 39. Next we will find the mode. So mode is the value of variable which occurs most frequently. So here we can see the 15 is occurring maximum number of times. So the mode is 15. Median. The value of the middlemost observation is called the median of the data. Here n is 11, that is odd. So n is the number of player. So median equals to value of half bracket n plus 1 observation. So half bracket 11 plus 1, that is 12. So 12 divided by 2, that is 6. Then value of sixth term is 15. Hence the median is 15. No, these three are not same. Next, the weight in kg of 15 students of a class R. These are the weights. We have to find mode and median of this data. Is there more than one mode? So we will first arrange in ascending order. Then we will find the mode. That is, mode is the value of the variable which occurs most frequently. Now 38 and 43 both occurs 3 times. So the mode of the given weights are 38 and 43. Then we will find the median. Here n is 15, which is odd. That means median equals to value of half bracket n plus 1th observation. So half bracket 15 plus 1, that is 16. 16 upon 2, that is 8th term. So value of 8th term is 40. So the median is 40. And yes, there are two modes for the given weights of the students. Next question is find the mode and median of the data. That is, first we will arrange the given data in the ascending order. We will find the mode. So most frequently the number is observed is 14. So mode is 14 of the given data. Then the median. So here n is 9, which is odd. So the median equals to value of half bracket n plus 1th observation, that is half 9 plus 1, that is 10. So 10 divided by 2, that is 5. So the value of fifth term, that is 14. Hence median is 14. Next, tell whether the statement is true or false. The mode is always one of the numbers in a data. The statement is true because mode is the value of variable which occurs most frequently in the given data. Hence, mode is always one of the numbers in a data. The mean is one of the number in a data. The statement is false because mean is may be or may not be one of the numbers in a data. The median is always one of the numbers in a data. The statement is true because median is the value of middlemost observations in the given data while arranged in ascending or descending order. Median is always one of the numbers in a data. The data 6, 4, 3, 8, 9, 12, 13, 9 has mean 9. We will add all the observation, divide by number of observation. So if we add all the observation, we will get 64 upon 8, that is 8. So the given statement is false. So this was exercise 3.2 of chapter 3 of class 7. I hope you liked my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you. Please leave comments, question or doubts in comment section if you have any, or you can drop a mail to us. You will find my email ID at the end of this video. You can also join us on Facebook page, follow us on Instagram, connect us on LinkedIn or tweet us on Twitter. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.